Welcome to the Office of Summer and Winter Sessions tutorial on the registration process. This video will provide an overview of how to complete the visiting student application. Visiting students will need to submit a visiting student application to request an RUID, which is a unique identifier for all students. You will need an RUID in order to get to the next steps of the registration process. You can access this application by visiting our website at apply.summerwinter.rutgers.edu. When viewing the application, select the Get Started button. Then, select the appropriate option, depending on if you have an RUID. Please note that even if you are not a current Rutgers student, you may already have an RUID if you have previously applied to Rutgers. You can check if you have an RUID in the Rutgers ID query link here. From here, you can proceed to fill out the visiting student application. All areas that have red asterisks must be filled out as required information. Please make sure that the email provided here is one that you frequently check, because this is where any further communication will take place. Once you complete your visiting student application, you will be sent your RUID and personal access code. Applications are typically processed within 2 to 3 business days. This concludes our tutorial on the visiting student application. If you need further information on the other steps of the registration process, please view our other videos in the registration playlist.